Right?
Yeah,
Namaste to all.
Respect.
Yeah, respect. So today we are checking India versus Pakistan.
Football.
It's not cricket. We know
It's not
India and
cricket.
Pakistan. Cricket is just like Real Madrid and
Barcelona.
So I don't know about Pakistan in football. Like at least I watch some games of Pakistan in cricket. Like previous in World Cup, I went Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Pakistan played with Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
They did well, but they lost against India in the World Cup.
Now India are getting better.
Yeah. India this year in World Cup was the best, but unfortunately they lost. They lost to Australia.
Yeah, but unfortunately.
Yeah, but anyway, we're here. I just want to see. I'm so curious. I'm a footballer, and I'm so curious. I want to see the Pakistan game. I witnessed only India game one time in Bangalore. Yeah, it was against Kuwait. India won. Yeah, it was South Asian Football Federation, something like that. So yeah, let's see the Pakistan together or along with the Indian football guys. So this is a highlight here, guys. Let's check it. It is also from South Asian football.
South Asian
football. I think this part South Asian is only like kind for football tournament for South Asian countries like Kuwait, Pakistan, South Asia only.
South Asia is we have Qatar and Kuwait.
Yeah, Qatar, Kuwait, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, India.
Yeah.
This, you know.
Yeah.
So let's check it without wasting time. Let's go.
Let's go.
India is the one wearing blue, okay?
And Pakistan
white.
Yes.
You know, India one of the best top 4 player in the world. After Messi and Ronaldo comes Sunil Chhetri in top scorer. This man, the captain.
I don't know that before.
Yeah.
I guess
he is the third most scorer. Most scorer in the world. Yeah. See, they did mistake.
Yeah.
They score. They score.
Yeah.
I think it's Chhetri only, the captain only.
Yeah. See.
Goalkeeper mistake. That one.
Goalkeeper.
What happened? They were saying penalty.
Pakistan.
One penalty. Again the captain scored.
Yeah.
Chhetri, number 11.
Score number 2. It's out.
Oh my God, that was nice. Nice shot. Wow.
Offside?
But foul.
Foul.
Free kick.
Yeah.
Oh, almost there.
Out.
Good try.
Yeah. Nice one.
Chhetri. His name is Chhetri.
Nice one. Hey.
Boom.
Shoot.
It's raining.
It's raining, yeah.
It's raining.
And I can play still that.
He gives red card.
Red one. Outside. But why? You do that big mistake. I just try to take the foul. Both of them. As the coach get anger.
They gave red card to the coach?
Yeah. No, not to the coach.
To the player?
Yeah, not the player. But the coach get anger because the player. He works on the match.
Second half. 2-0.
Second half. 2-0. 2 from India. Almost there. Nice try. Nice one.
Hey! Oh my God. That was too close.
See?
Wow, this is the best.
Yeah,
the best pass he gave.
That is the best one in the whole match.
Yeah. You know, this kind of like cross pass like this.
Now that guy's not serious.
Maybe you can do the Owen goal or something like this. High chance of goal will happen from this kind of pass.
Okay, yeah. So, hey, now that guy is not serious.
That's the one.
Give that
Chhetri
ball
is
like-
going. Chhetri,
It's
penalty.
goal,
Penalty.
net.
I think it's penalty.
Penalty.
They gave penalty.
Yellow or red one.
Again, I think Chhetri scored like 3 goals in this game.
No, 2.
2?
Yeah, I guess.
2 penalty now?
2 plenty now. No.
Yeah, in the first goal.
Yeah, and the first goal. Hey! Ha! Now it's easy goal. It's easy score. Just now that guy just shed like that. So surprised. We don't know what we have to do. Just stand
so
like
easy.
that. It was so easy. Yeah.
I didn't see any good ball from Pakistan, only that pass.
Only that one. And that one is the nice one in the whole match.
Yes.
I guess Pakistan this match they are not playing as well. Maybe in this place they, I don't know what I'm saying, but they didn't do it in this place, in this match. But India,
Yeah, they did not perform.
They got 4 and 0.
I think Chhetri scored 3 goals.
Yeah, and the last
3
one.
goals from, it's, I think,
You
3
think so?
goals. See? Let's
Number
see
one?
again. Yes,
Yeah,
it's him.
Yeah, it's him.
So in
He
that
got
game,
3.
he scored 3 goals, 2 penalty, and
Yeah.
one mistake from
One
that
mistake.
Pakistan goalie. But what I can see from this highlight, like we did not watch the full game, it is just only the highlight.
Yeah.
Like
Just
Pakistan,
summarize.
I can say Pakistan didn't perform well that time because
Yeah.
if they perform well, there is good chances. I don't think they got
Maybe they got 1 or 2.
2 chances, right?
Yeah.
If there is good chances, they would have put here in this highlight.
Yeah,
there is
but
no
I
good
got
chances.
the team is not that much.
Pakistan team
professional.
now, I don't know, like in FIFA qualification, they didn't qualify, right?
Yeah, they didn't qualify.
They
Just
didn't.
from cricket. Maybe that guys.
Yeah,
get
only I
for
think
famous.
cricket. Pakistan is known for the cricket, and I think cricket can be the first.
Only cricket.
Cricket can be the first or the national game of
No, I guess
Pakistan.
hockey.
Huh?
Hockey.
Hockey.
Hockey, that's number 1. After
But they are
hockey-
not. Yeah. Yes, I remember.
Yeah,
Pakistan is also good in hockey.
Yeah.
They are good in
They are
hockey
good in hockey and cricket.
and cricket.
But for football, I'm not sure.
I don't think they are good in
I don't
football.
guess so.
Yeah. This is what we can say. But India team also, like compared to Pakistan, India team is better.
Yeah, India
Yeah.
is getting better.
It's getting better, especially this year.
They
A lot
score
of improvement.
4 chance.
A lot of improvement, like India. But now India is also is playing the qualification. The first game, they won 1 and they lost 2 for the qualification World Cup. World Cup qualification.
Yeah,
India is there.
You're right. Yeah.
India is there.
India is there.
Yeah, they lost against Kuwait. Qatar, I mean.
Qatar, yeah.
Qatar, they lost against Qatar.
Yeah. They lost.
They lost against Qatar, but they still have 2
chances.
They still have more chances there.
But for our
Yeah.
country, Sudan, and that number 1.
Sudan
the
is
top.
qualified, right?
Yeah, it's number 1.
Okay, Sudan qualified, but South Sudan, my country, is not,
Yeah.
qualified yet. My
But
country is like
you are
Pakistan.
good in basketball.
Basketball, yeah.
So
If you
that's
know,
why
if you want to know South Sudan is now famous for basketball. And Sudan football, they are
Football
very
is
good.
there, yeah.
Now they are competing. They are doing very well
in this
in
year.
qualification for the World Cup.
Maybe we
Yeah.
take the World Cup this time.
India also is doing the best, man. Anyway,
Yeah,
we'll see. All the best for the team, and all the best for the Indian team. Love from Africa. Like, share, subscribe.